Hi, in this video I'm going to show you two examples on how to use quadratic function in applied problems. Okay, so the first example is a farmer has 1200 feet of material to fence a rectangular field. So the farmer has a rectangular field and he wants to fence around that rectangular field. And also we are assuming that L and W, let L and W be the length and width of the field. So this is L, this is W. So he wants to fence this field by the 1200 feet of fencing material, right? So since this is L and rectangular shape, so this is also L, this is W, right? So the first question is find the length in terms of the width. So how do we find that? So from this given information, so L plus W plus L plus W is 1200, because you want to fence all those four sides with the 1200 feet of materials, right? So now how much is that? So 2L plus 2W equals to 1200, right? And you want to write L in terms of the W, so subtract 2W. So what do you get? You get 2L equals to 1200 minus 2W, divide by 2. What do you get? You get L equals to 600 minus W. That's L, right? So next question is find the area in terms of width. Find the area in terms of width. So what is the area? Area is L times W for the rectangle, right? What is L though? So L is 600 minus W, and then times W is W. So therefore A will become, after this A is, so distribute that 600 W minus W square. That is A. Third question is for what width the area is maximum. So since it is talking about for what value of W the A is maximum, to find out max or mean of a function, what you do, you find the, yes, you're right, so you find the vertex. So how do I find the vertex here? So you want to find the x value of the vertex, because it said the width. So this is like A is function of x, so you want to find the W, right? So h is negative b over twice A. So how much is that? Negative 600 over 2 times A is negative 1, right? So how much is that? Negative 600 over negative 2 is 300. So if the width is 300, then the area will be maximum in that case. Okay, the width is 300. Find the maximum area. So you just plug in that width into that area, then you will get the maximum area. So A will be basically it will be 600 times 300 minus 300 square, right? So it will be 600 times 300 will be 180,000 minus it will be 90,000. So it will be basically 90,000. So this is the maximum area. This is one example. In the next example, you can see that a rain garden has to be made from a metal sheet of 8 inch wide by folding its edges vertically. X inch from, you want to fold X inch from each edge. What does that mean? It says that there is a metal sheet of 8 inch wide. This is 8 inch wide, and you want to fold that metal sheet from its edges. So it says that you want to fold X inch from each edge of that metal sheet and then raise it vertically so that it will be a gutter. Okay, so the question is find the remaining length. If you fold from X inch from the edge, then what is the remaining length? What is this length? So this length will be, the total length is 8, and you are folding X inch from here, X inch from here. Basically you are folding 2X inch. So the remaining is 8 minus 2X. Okay, so the remaining length is 8 minus 2X. That's the answer. Now find the area of the cross section. How does it look like if you fold it and raise, if you fold it and then raise it? So it will look like this, right? And then that's the length. It will go up. So this is basically the cross section. The cross section has basically it is 8 minus 2X. This is X width, right? Width or whatever you say, the height. That's the same thing. Now it is kind of a rectangular shape again, right? So what is the area there? So area will be The 8 minus 2x is the length, 8 minus 2x times the x is the height, x. So what do you get? So this is basically 8x minus 2x squared. That's the area of the cross section. Okay, the cross section is basically this part that has shape like this is called cross section, and this has 8 minus 2x and then x. If you find the area of the rectangular shape, it will be 8 minus 2x times x. The last question is find the x such that the area is maximum. So this is the area, right? You need to find x where the a is maximum. Basically, again, you want to find the vertex. Okay, so for the vertex, h is negative b over twice a. So what is b? B is 8, so it will be negative 8 over 2 times a is negative 2. So how much is that? 8, negative 8 over negative 4. That will be just 2. So it looks like you want to fold at 2 inch. So it will be 2 inch. Should be folded in such a way that the area of this cross section is maximum, meaning that you can flow most water with this folding. Okay, if you fold 2 inch from each side, then the maximum of the water can be flown from that corner. Okay, all right, thank you guys.